Put it down. No, put it up there somewhere, George.
You told him to put it down. You didn't tell him where. Good morning, YouTube fam. We're just chilling here until it's time to go because we gotta go give little man a hearing test because he wouldn't cooperate with the school. So he's gonna be in school a little late today, and he missed ABA for this appointment, which kind of sucks. And then we're gonna be doing a lot of running like usual afterwards. And I'm gonna go check the damn P.O. box again because it told me the same thing again. So I don't know what's going on. I don't know if I'm getting mail or not getting mail or what, but I got the same thing again today. So I don't know if like these packages are delayed or what, but I'll check again. And Gus is watching YouTube right now. Shocker. And we're going to be leaving in a few minutes. We had a little bit of time to kill, so we are actually at Hy-Vee to get some garbage bags and Starbucks.
Oh, that looks cool.
And then we're going to Five Below. Oh my. Look at that, y'all.
That looks kind of cool.
That is kind of cool.
Spidey web. Oh, and it goes all the way over.
Goes all the way over where?
Yeah, there's another one.
Yeesh.
That is cool.
Why do they connect spiders to Halloween? Because they're creepy? Is that spider? Yeah. Spider? Yeah. It's okay. It's okay. I know, spider. He's all about spiders until they're close up, I guess.
Hey, guess what? We walk right in and... So please tell me you guys have some good news. You had pumpkin spice latte.
Yum! It's alive! What? It's not gonna get you. It was a billboard. Yeah, look at that. Yeah. Oh wow, look, there's Olaf. He looks a little drunk. Dinosaur. Come on. I don't. What is it? Fascinating Fast and
I did the
Realistic Figures. Read the book to discover the details and let your imagination go. Yeah, look what he found. Go show him.
How much is it?
Probably $5.
Okay.
You're gonna get it?
Give it here. You want Daddy to get it for you?
What are you doing now? Really?
But not S9.
Feel better?
What? You gotta carry it?
Yep, and he put Marshall in my pocket.
Oh my god.
Hey! Why'd you snatch that from me, Rudy?
Take Marshall back.
I will.
Woody!
What? Yeah.
Yeah, dinosaur.
What is that? Baby shark? You're right. So where's the baby shark? You're right. Where's Spider-Man? I don't know what that is.
A car?
Yeah, it's a car, I think.
Boy.
Oh, car. Sounds so disappointed.
Car.
Why is that one upside down?
Real. What's that? Oh, Frankie.
You're not letting that dinosaur thing go, are you?
Okay.
You got that.
I'm satisfied.
You can't take everything.
One or the other. Which one do you want?
You want dinosaur or car?
Gus, come here. Come here. Okay. So, which one do you want? Okay, put this away then. Put it up.
Good job.
Hey. Good boy. Yeah. Oh, look at these, honey. These are cute. We got Luigi. We got Mario.
Oh.
I may have to come in and get some of these on
Those
payday.
are cute.
Are you happy with what you got? And then they got mini Fortnite bobbleheads. You have that one at home, buddy. Oh. I don't believe it.
Daddy.
No, which one do you want? Then put that back.
I swear he said put it away.
Put it down. No, put it up there somewhere, George.
You told him put it down. You didn't tell him where.
No, I feel stupid now.
Is that what you want? What is it? Turn around. Turn around.
Show mommy.
'Cause I can't see. Can I see what it is? Oh. Uh-oh. Oh, crap. I dropped it.
No.
I'm kind of scared.
Oh, that looks simple.
Oh, it might be simple.
Yeah, but it's
Oh,
a
that's
Beyblade
good.
robot. All right, are you
what?
ready? All right,
Yep.
let's go
I
cash
got an
out.
appointment to go to.
Yep, let's go cash out, baby. Take two, please.
Aww. You like elevators?
Right, so we are rechecking his ears. Alright, so Dr. Reinhardt, he records the office visits for scribing purposes. Are you guys okay with that?
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Yeah! Alright. I'm gonna have the audiologist come in quick, right?
You okay?
You're fine.
Here, watch this one. You watch. Watch over here. Let's see if we get a mountain over here. Give it a second to look. Where's your picture? Where's your picture? Don't hurry up. Hey, look at that. Where's your mountain?
Yay! Yay! Well, his hearing test was good, so now we're dropping him off at school.
2 hours later.
Where is you? Gecko!
Mommy,
What, baby? Turtle. Pterodactyl? Gecko?
Yeah.
Why did you say gecko like that? Because usually you can say gecko pretty well.
You.
We're looking for gecko. Oh, the sun.
No! Gecko! Gecko, are you in the Pokeball? No.
Really?
Gecko, are you in the bowling ball? Boink. No. Gecko's in the pepperoni.
Ah! He hit me with a pepperoni. Little brat.
Gecko, are you in the flying car? No. Have you seen Gecko? No. Okay.
Oh my god.
Iron Man, have you seen Gecko? No. Turtle, have you seen Gecko? No. Okay.
Why was it? Why was it so deep for the damn turtle?
The turtle was slow. Turtles are slow, so he had to answer slow. Where's Gecko? Gus? I don't know where he is.
Last time I seen him, he was in the living room.
I already took to the toy box in there. He's not in there.
Why did you hesitate?
Because.
Cause why? Did you look or not look?
No, I did look. I actually, if you go look, the toys are dumped on the floor.
Then why did you hesitate?
I don't know. Why are you recording me on this?
Because it's hilarious.
No, it's not.
It is.
We're looking for a gecko and he can't be found. Gus, maybe he's blending in with his surroundings.
Camouflage.
That's what geckos do. Gecko, are you blue? No.
Gecko, are you blue?
Gecko, can you hear us? I see no gecko. Well, I don't know what to tell you, Gus.
Where was he?
He was on your side of the bed on the floor.
I don't know why he would be there though.
I have no idea. And to be honest, I don't know how you turn this shit up.
Do not say that word. The last time he repeated.
Okay, well, I don't know how to turn that junk up. And
Elfie?
Son wants Elfie.
Elfie? Okay, we'll turn it on. So you found Gecko?
Yeah.
Could you explain why he was in my room?
I can't. You ask him.
Can you explain why he was in my room?
Say, I don't know.
I'm pretty sure he does know.
So,
I got some stuff to do, so I'm going to end the vlog here. And don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And until next time, bye guys.